Your 30s can feel very different than you expected, especially as a mother and as a woman. And sometimes you reach a point where you realize that you're growing into completely a different person or a different new version of yourself than you thought. At this point in your 30s, your priorities do change. The things that once mattered may not matter anymore. And that doesn't mean that you're failing. It means that you're evolving. Let us talk about how reinventing yourself feels like, especially through motherhood, growth, mindset, and confidence. Reinventing isn't possible. It is changing your habits, changing your mindset, changing your priorities, changing how you see yourself. And honestly, the shift can feel uncomfortable before it feels empowering. And that's okay because change has never been the best thing ever. But again, it's positive way of living. What changed for me was let yourself outgrow the old version of you. Growth always requires time. And you can't stay the same person forever. Protect your mental space, the content you consume, the people around you. And also let us remember that our daily habits affect our growth deeply. Build slowly. Real transformation happens with time. One decision at a time. Reinventing yourself in your 30s is not erasing who you are. It's allowing yourself to grow into who you're becoming. And growth deserves space. What part of yourself feels different in this season now? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. From motherhood to purpose. And I want to welcome all the new subscribers and the returned subscribers. Let us interact, and I would really love to hear your thoughts and those things you'd like me to talk about in the comment section. Ciao.